Brandon. I am your SDI Southeast Regional Sales Manager, and I'm here to go over the process of taking speech intelligibility measurements. Intelligibility testing is something we're seeing a lot more of in the industry, but we get a lot of questions about it because it's just something that many people are unfamiliar with. It's actually really simple to do though, so I'm going to explain how to use the Bedrock meters to take speech intelligibility measurements. The first thing you need to do is play the STIPA test signal on a loop. An audio file of the test signal is on the USB stick that was supplied with your meter, but if you're testing a system that uses a paging microphone, you'll need to use the BT-B65 talkbox. Place your talkbox about 1 to 3 feet from the microphone, make sure the STIPA signal is selected, and then press play. This will need to play for the entirety of the testing process. On your intelligibility meter, select the Quick STIPA module. With the STIPA test signal playing, press start to begin taking a measurement. When it is finished, press save to store the measurement. If a red X appears over the score while the measurement is being taken, that indicates that the measurement has been interrupted or is invalid and will need to be retaken. Any score of a 0.5 or above is considered to be fairly intelligible. Each measurement should take about 18 seconds. Perform these measurements at various spots throughout a room where listeners will be located. In a future video, we will go over exporting the results to a computer and generating reports.